Making a perfect cup of soft brew coffee is so easy, it's revolutionary. Simply place the soft brew filter inside the pot, add 1 tablespoonful of coffee per cup, pour in the boiling water, cover and let brew for a few minutes. That's it. The perfect cup of coffee brewed to perfection is ready. Because soft brew is so simple, washing it is as easy as rinsing out the filter under the tap. The soft brew method was invented by George Sowden. The secret lies in the millions of tiny holes in the filter. The filter lets the coffee sit at the heart of the pot, where it brews to its full richness while keeping the grounds out of your cup. This revolutionary concept is protected by a worldwide patent. Finally, coffee the way it was meant to be made.